Shall we start, sir? Anu, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 366th episode of Big Morning Show. My name is Gitish and I'm your host for the morning. Our guest today is Mr. Anuj Gupta from Chandigarh. Mr. Anuj is the co founder, promoter, and director of Atulya Healthcare. Atulya Healthcare is the largest diagnostic chain of North India with branches in Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana, and Jammu. Ms. Gupta is responsible for managing the marketing and administration verticals of the company. He's an alumnus of Punjab University, Chandigarh, and has more than 22 years of vast experience in healthcare, FMCG, warehousing, and logistics. Welcome to the show, Mr. Anuj.
Thank you, sir. And thank you, Gitish ji.
So, before we proceed further, our audience would like to know about the journey of brand Atulya from a single diagnostic center in Chandigarh to the biggest imaging chain of North India. Sir.
Uh, Sir, I was into FMCG marketing actually earlier before entering into healthcare. So we got a chance to work with Chandigarh government. We entered into an agreement to install a CT in 32 Medical College way
So,
back in 2004.
okay.
That was our first venture in healthcare. So, a little inspired by that, and during that period, we realized though Chandigarh is a medical hub,
Mm-hmm.
but there is no good diagnostic center in private sector. So there was a lot of waiting in PGI. There were no equipments in 32 medical college, no MRI, and no equipment in 16 hospital for diagnostics. I'm
Right.
saying about imaging diagnostics.
Right.
We started our journey with imaging only. So being born and brought up in Chandigarh and having a special love for Chandigarh,
Mm-hmm.
so we thought of having a state-of-the-art center. So we bought India's first cardiac CT
Okay.
in 2007.
Okay.
India's first cardiac CT and India's first wide bore MRI. So that MRI was at that time has a widest bore in the world and shortest tunnel. MRI people feel very claustrophobic because it has a more than 5 feet long tunnel.
Okay. Okay.
A normal human body is around five and a half.
Correct.
So 5 feet long tunnel and the diameter is so small that the machine's upper part is just above your nose.
Mm-hmm.
People feel very claustrophobic. And this model was highest selling in America because of the obesity and because of the people there are more cautious about patient comfort and care. So Siemens never introduced this model to India because it was a costly model.
Okay.
So we uh, thought it will be advantage to a customer.
Mm-hmm.
So we installed India's first dual source CT, which was a pure cardiac CT and a high-end wide bore short tunnel MRI, where the tunnel was also short in 2007. This is how Atulya started its journey.
Okay.
So when we installed first India's first dual source CT, so we were actually Escorts Hospital approached us.
Faridabad,
Main Escorts Delhi.
Delhi.
So they approached us to install the same CT
Okay.
in their hospital.
Great.
So we and from one hospital to two hospital, three hospital, four hospital. So we entered into four of the Fortis hospital, running their radiology department.
Okay.
At one time, people get shocked when we have a major business in Delhi, but we are staying in Chandigarh, and people don't actually digest that okay, a company from Chandigarh is taking the market in Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
So it's an interesting journey, sir. So from there, one center to four center, eight centers. Now we have plans to have at least to cover complete north. Earlier we were in Delhi and north of Delhi only.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now we have a plans to cover complete north.
Great, 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 Mr. Anuj. So, talking about industry as a whole, there has been a major paradigm shift from the therapy healthcare to preventive healthcare, especially in these 2 years, which we were discussing before the session as well.
Yes.
So there has been a sudden surge in the number of diagnostic tests, the sales numbers as well. We would like to hear about this change in the mindset from you, sir.
Sir, in India, people before COVID, the market was shifting very fast from, we call it emergency test to preventive healthcare.
Yeah.
There was a shift in that. And if you can see that most of the companies, many companies are working only on preventive, 1mg, healthy. So when they came into this market, so they worked hard to develop this market. Therocare even. So, but post-COVID, people think a disease can be fatal also.
Right, right.
So this is a small mindset. People are now aware that we should be healthy. It's not just uh, we should get treated when we are ill. So people realize that a healthy people has a more chance of survival in any sort of pandemic than a non-healthy person. So this we gave a slogan: "Don't think you are healthy, know you are healthy." तो जनरली पीपल थिंक कि मेरे को क्या हुआ है, मैं तो ठीक हूँ. तो हम उसे पूछते हैं, कैसे पता है तुझे ठीक है?
Absolutely.
कोई
कौन से
प्रॉपर नहीं.
बेसिस
मैं
पे
सवेरे 2 घंटे सैर करता हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ
हम्म,
आराम से. रात को पंजाबी दे क्लेम के 2 पैग मार रहा हूँ, तो वो भी मैं आई एम हेल्दी, आई कैन हैव ड्रिंक डेली. सो दैट वाज अ टाइम people started thinking okay, it matters. If your immunity is better, if you're healthy, then not just this pandemic, if any disease comes, then it will be better for them to survive. So that's
Absolutely, sir. Yeah.
so this is the
And
main
this
reason.
change is not limited to urban areas, I believe.
Sir, yes, of course.
We, yeah.
In our ongoing strategy, when we are entering into new markets, so we have major plans in B level market. People are keen to work. People are keen to get their health checkups done, but they don't get a right source in the B segment markets.
Correct, correct.
So they
So
don't
how
get.
is diagnostic industry shaping up in rural India, sir?
Sir, it is growing very fast. If you see, all negative balance sheets have come into positive in last 1 year. So okay, people are now concerned about their health. That is for sure. So I will share a number with you. Okay, we strongly believe that if healthcare can be made affordable to the public,
Sure.
then people are willing. There should be the confidence that they are not being. Okay, trust level build karna is very important among general public. So we do one camp, sir, once in a month, highly subsidized camp. We so around the test worth will be 7,000. We do it around in $1,000.
Okay, okay.
So we get a lot of response from the rural market in that. Lot of response. And sir, I think that's the highest number we do. I, I'm sure about North India, but I don't have a figures for Pan India. We do 6,000 patients on a single day in that camp. So people want to get that's a pure preventive health checkup in that camp.
Okay, okay.
But people are aware. So we have analyzed the data. The people who want to who get their health checkup done once or once in 1 year or 2 years, they're getting it done now every third month, fourth month. So it's not people want that, but the pricing India is a price conscious market, and the trust level on diagnostics or hospital industry is going low in the patients. They think कि मैं टेस्ट कराऊंगा बीमारी निकल जाएगी फिर मुझे डॉक्टर के पास मगर I can be the part of that network. So that trust has to be built. So this industry is okay. People are aware now.
Okay, okay, great. So when we talk about the preventive health checkup, there is a lot of medical waste involved.
Yes, sir.
And at Atulya, how do you manage the medical waste, especially the waste related to communicable diseases like COVID?
Sir, the one thing government is what we have seen in during this pandemic is government rules, regulations, and control on this product was very good.
Okay.
Sir, we are the we get our ESG audit done also every year. So we are compliant to ESG. So we have to take participation in all such activities where we have to show that how we are managing. But sir, government forced those who are not even interested to control that. So that was the government system was very good. They immediately made compulsory to take a license for biowaste for this communicable disease also.
Okay.
But we have our all this licenses and everything on a website, sir, where we have shown what biomedical waste licenses we have for each center till when they are updated, returned that file, and they are valid up to what date. Everything is shown on our website for biomedical waste.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Anuj, healthcare and technology, these are two such sectors which will drive the growth of New India. So I have two questions in this. The first one is, what is the role of technology, automation, artificial intelligence and robotics in healthcare, especially in a setup like yours? Sir?
Sir, that's a very interesting question. Matlab कि people generally don't ask such questions. Sir, if you see, we came into Pathcare in 2013.
Correct.
So it's just 2021. And now we are, apart from pan India players, we are the biggest regional player in this region. So in
Right.
7 years, we can give a good credit to AI and automation for our this growth. We were the first one to install, first one in pan India to install robotic lab where all major, our 80% of tests covered by three departments: immunology, biochemistry, and hematology. Our all three departments were on robotic arm. All you have to do is, if pre-analyticals are clear, your barcode, Gitish ka barcode Gitish pe lagaya hai, then there is no chance of any error
Error.
apart after that. You can just uh, give sample the way you like. The way you like the tube is, if it is not in a standing position, even then it will make it stand. It will see the quality, quantity, everything is under control with this artificial intelligence. And some of the unique features are that we can control quality for all our centers from that artificial intelligence here from Chandigarh. That is
Okay.
the best software available in the industry. Where if my Jammu lab doesn't fall under control, okay, they have to run the control. And if any parameters control is out of range, then they cannot run the
Okay.
sample till we allow them.